In this video, you will learn how to add reminder and Outlook email attachments. This video is brought to you by OutlookAppIns.com. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Click on the calendar. Select New Appointment. Type your subject. Enter the location. Now select the start and end date and time. You can also check the option All Day event if the program will continue the entire day. Now select Show as Free or any other option. Select when the reminder will trigger. Let's say if you select 15 minutes, the reminder will fire just 15 minutes before the event you have set. There is more to do before we save this. You can also write a description if you want. Then finally click on Save and Close. You can also check the reminder on the calendar and verify if it is working or not. In this way, you can set a reminder in Outlook email attachments. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel now. You can also visit the link on description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.